XY line first. So everyone listen very carefully. So don't see your phone and you can draw. Just listen carefully. Then you can get this completely. So what is the length and breadth of the rectangle? So what is the length? 50. And the breadth is 25. So usually you are going to draw the rectangle. And mark it as A, B, C and D. Okay, A, B, C and D. So what is this? What is the length? 50. And what is the width? 25. 25. So next, where the projection of this rectangle will be? On the XY line. So like a previous problem. So after this I will mark this and it will start the shape, dark line like this, and B, A dash and D dash in the bracket, and B dash and C dash will be on the bracket. So next what you have to do? You are going to mark the inclination on the HP. So then only you are going for the VP. So listen very carefully. So this is also very simple like a previous problem. So mark any point in the line. Okay, mark any point in the line. And so mark the distance at A1 and D1. So place a point here and then take the inclination angle as 60. 60 degree. Okay. And what is this point will be? B1 dash and C1 dash. Okay, the same line. Don't get it here and there. Don't get literally don't drag and go. So then again this projection will be downwards and this projection downwards. So before that, so while you are drawing the scale, so draw straight line. Okay. So while I am drawing, it will be on the board somewhere to be getting inclined. So you must draw the straight line. So don't get the line wobble here and there. You have to draw only the straight line. So then we will get the answer very perfectly. And mark the projection here also. So now we get the smaller cube of form. Okay, and what is this point to be? A1, this point will be B1, C1 and D1. C1 and D1. So now again, they are given the inclination angle as 30 degree to VP. They are given the inclination as 30 degree to VP. So this HP means above the XY line, VP means below the XY line. So listen carefully, keep a point here. Everyone listen here. If you didn't listen, you cannot get understand. So keep a point here. Draw the line like this. Draw the line like this. So what will be this angle? 30 degree. So what's the thing is? So again, the front view is like this and the top view will be like this. So now the top view is inclined. The top view is inclined 30 degree. Then how the front view will be? So that is the final angle of projection. That is the final angle of projection. So what you have to do, you are going to mark that point here. You are going to mark that point here. This point is as A2. Okay, A2. So next one, similarly you are going to keep the next point here. So nothing but this entire cube is inclined 30 degree. Inclined 30 degree in this form. And this point will be your D2. So nearby D2 it will be C2 and final will be D2. Okay, B2 and C2. Okay. So now what you have to do? You have to project this all the things in above. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then again you have to mark the intersection point very carefully. You will mark the intersection point very carefully. So what is this point? This point will be your A2 dash. Why? Because here also you are having A and here also you are having A. Here also you are having A. So this one will be B. So where? So what will be this point? Here there is no point. So B is here. So this is where the B line is going up to this point, and here also the B is here. Okay, B is right. And this one is C is here. Okay, this is C to that, and then D is here. D to that. So mouth line like this. Okay, stop. So this is your